I'm a very spontaneous person.
Most ng life ko natutunan ko sa barkada.
27 years na akong ama.
I never really thought about being a dad.
Ang plano ko talaga hindi ako mag-aasawa eh. Ay hindi yata naiiwasan sa tao yung ma-in love eh, di ba? Pero nung tatlo na anak ko, naranasan ko yung paghihirap talaga na kung ano-anong trabaho pinapasok ko.
Before, it was an insecurity that my wife is working and earning more.
I cannot explain the joy that I had holding her in my arms, but I cannot also explain the sorrow that I felt when she died an hour later in my arms.
Che-checkin mo yung oras sa gabi na wala pa, yung hindi ka mapakali, na ano na kaya nangyari sa anak ko. Every now and then, kailangan mo silang tawagan sa cellphone to the point na sasabihin, Daddy naman, ano ba?
Noong time na nire-revive nila ako, nakita ko yung mukha ng anak ko. Sabi ko, hindi pwede mangyari sa akin to, kailangan ko mabuhay. Kasi kailangan ako ng anak ko.
Kailan nangyari to?
Kanina. Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
I love you, Daddy. Thank you that you are willing to obey God's command as a father and as a husband.
You wait for me and ate to come home. Tapos effort mo pa mag-text at hanapin kami.
I just really thank God for you. I think you're really such a great dad.
Isusubo mo na lang, ibibigay mo pa sa mga anak mo. Na-appreciate ko sa'yo is when you allow us to know the Lord.
Well, I enjoyed spending time with him. And I got to know a lot more things about my dad. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!